Jojolapa, Hima Language Learning, Chapter 36, Animals, Insects and Birds. Please remember Apple Technologies for website designing services. Number 1. Ant, Emu. Number 2. Bee, Ha. Number 3. Buffalo, May. Number 4. Cockroach, Billy. 5. Cat, Paucha. Or thief cat, Paucha. Number 6. Cow, Sa. 7. Crow, Quo. Black crow, Hakuma Quo. Number 8. Dog, Khicha. White dog, Tuyuma Khicha, Machama Khicha. Mad dog, Wen Khicha. Number 9. Duck, 10. Eagle, Ima. 11. Elephant, Kisi. 12. Fish, Nya. 13. Fly, Wing. 14. Fox, Don. 15. Frog, Biacha. 16. Goat, Duku. 17. Hen, Kha. 18. Horse, Sala. 19. Lizard, Mabili. 20. Monkey, Macaw. 21. Mosquito, Patti. 22. Mouse, Chun. 23. Peacock, Mekha. 24. Pig, Fa. 25. Pigeon, Bokun. 26. Rabbit, Karacha. 27. Sparrow, Sokun. 28. Spider, Macaw. 29. Sheep, Fai. 30. Tiger, Doom. 31. Owl, Pulukha. 32. Ox. You can developing Neva course book. For more details, please check description below.